unboxing video of Evooor, the Autopilot Nag Elimination module, supposedly for the Tesla Model S and X after 2020, which is the yoke steering originally, but now you can get it without a yoke. So from Evooor, it comes from Zhengzhou, China. It comes in a box like this. And you open it, there's no instructions. It just comes in a plastic pouch, screwdriver. Took about 2 weeks to receive. No instructions. They send a video, but apparently the video, to my knowledge, isn't even for a yoke steering wheel. So it comes with this flathead screwdriver, I assume, to release the airbag. And this is what it looks like. It says TSL 5 on it. So this is supposed to plug into either the right side or left side or some component of the steering wheel where it will eliminate the nag that you get during the autopilot function, where it tells you to do something or shake the steering wheel, eliminating the need for a weight or counterweight or something like that. And this is what it looks like, supposedly, for the S and X after 2020. There'll be another video with the supposed try to install. If you've gotten this version to work on it, please let me know.